I'm feeling myself. This is for sure an upgrade, by the way. Stop Myron. Let's just focus right into this shit. Self improvement is the only realistic way of long term sustained happiness, right? This is something that I've been believing in for like 5, 6 years now. And yes, I am someone who have improved a lot and digressed in areas and then improved. It is a journey. You can't just magically go from point A here to point B here elevated and just stay like that. That's not what this is all about. But yes, to some degree, constant improvement से ही तुम्हें long term satisfaction मिल सकती है. A lot of people currently have just one goal, which is to be as happy as they can. Well, this goal is certainly not wrong, but the way in which people approach this is questionable to say the least. Because if happiness is the only thing which really, really mattered to people, the quickest way to do them is through instant gratification things like drugs, pornography, hooking up. All the degenerate things give you happiness for sure, but that is only in the short term. Even things like materialistic possessions, buying something new, spending money, बहुत खराब coping mechanism होते हैं लोगों के, which gives them short term happiness, but in the longer run things stay the same. And that is true for majority of us. हम सब कहीं ना कहीं हर किसी किसी चीज़ के लिए guilty है, and there is no way in which there is no way to actually be perfect in the short term, but you can definitely work on things in the longer duration. So yeah, constant improvement. What do I mean by that? To put it into simple terms, taking those decisions right now, which your future self will be proud of, is what I mean by self-improvement. For example, if you start to work out right now, it will probably suck because you don't have that habit of working out, or you don't know the principles, or you are not experienced enough in this domain, and it's completely fine. जिंदगी में जो भी चीज़ है, जो भी skills है, you were shit at it in the beginning, and eventually as you learn, you progress and you got better. Your current self is of course unhappy because भाई ये क्या कर दिया, जो नया schedule ये सब. But think of yourself like 3, 4 years down the line. If you have stick to your habits, future Ayushman will be so proud of what present Ayushman is doing to fix their life, because small wins compound over time. I have had periods where I have gained a lot of weight, and I remember consistently जब भी ऐसा हुआ है, I have gained approximately 10 kilos in a year. मेरे को 1 साल लग गया बिल्कुल जानवरों की तरह खाना खाते समय, लाइक एक एक सिटिंग में 8,000 कैलोरीज प्लस खाना एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट्स ग्रोस, बट आई डिड दैट. या आई वाज बिंज ईटिंग, बहुत मैक्स पे था. योर बैड हैबिट्स डू कंपाउंड ओवर टाइम, एंड मेरे को 1 साल लग गया था 10 kgs गेन करने में, एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑल्सो 1 साल में मैंने 10 किलो और गेन किया एंड एवरीथिंग. But the beautiful part about all of this and positive habits is that their compounding power is really, really faster as compared to your bad habits. If you consistently work out, consistently look after yourself, you can reverse your damage in a fraction of time. मैंने जब भी लॉक इन करा अपनी डाइट पर, उस पर I have lost 10 kilos in like 4 5 months. Literally in less than half the time that I gained the weight back, I did lose it. And that is something which shows you that positivity and positive things will always overpower negativity and negative things. And that is something which I think most people forget. I was someone who used to smoke weed a lot and drink really often. And मेरे को हमेशा the next day after I used to drink, I used to feel disgusted. I used to feel really shitty. And that is the embodiment of instant gratification. It will help you in the present, but every time you do it, you lower your baseline level of happiness. That is why addictions exist. कि तुम constantly वही चीज को chase करते हो और कोशिश कर ही जा रहे हो. But it's never enough. That is why you need healthy ways of coping. Now, what are those healthy ways of coping? First of all is looking care after your body. This is important because it is directly linked to your mind. You can take a look at a person and tell them how they think, what sort of state they're in. And this is absolutely true. Most people who are overweight or extremely underweight are to some degree depressed or anxious. And people who are in shape or are trying to get in shape usually have a positive outlook on life. And that is really true. So, working on yourself, especially physically, is really, really empowering to your mind and to your state of being. And yeah, it is one of the first steps which I would recommend anyone who is trying to get into self improvement to focus on. The second thing is to clean your mind. Brain rot is a very common term which is casually used these days, and yeah, everyone, including myself, is guilty of that at times, but it is important to be aware of it. If I ask you to open up a book and read one page without tracing back, or without diverting, or without getting distracted, it pains me to say, but approximately 80 to 90% of y'all will not be able to do that, and it's sad. These days we are so overstimulated with random ass shit, which again, stimulation itna zyada hai that you won't even remember what made you overstimulated in the next 3 4 days or maybe hours also. And this, I feel like, is an epidemic, and we need to be aware about this. I don't know why more people are not talking about this, but this really, really makes me paranoid. Training your mind is something which is will really, really help you in future, and your future self will be really proud of you for taking those steps. It's like mindfulness, gratitude, focus. All of these are skills. These are not just something that you're not born with, but these are something that you can build, and you should build if you want to improve your mental health, or if you want to just have a better life in general. Because these things control you. Most of the people let their brain and their thoughts control them. In order for you to be happy, you have to have some level of control or mindfulness to your thoughts. Another thing that self improvement rarely sheds light on, and is something which is really important for a person to feel good about themselves, is winning. Having small wins regularly is extremely important for your progress, because that is the way in which you know कि भाई जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, it's okay, it is leading to results. And ये बहुत important होता है, especially like if I talk about myself. I won't generalize it to men, but yeah, for my own self it is really important for my sanity to see that मेरे जो भी efforts है, they are being fruitful. One way in which you can feel this is by learning a skill, whether that is a new language, whether that is playing an instrument, whether that is something productive as maybe learning to code or learning to implement AI better. These are the things which can actually give you result if you're consistent on it, and can really, really impact your well-being in a really positive way. Last thing which I'll shed light on, because it's already been 10 minutes of me just yapping, is taking care of your exterior, being well groomed, taking care of your skin. No, it's not gay to look after your skin. Clean your fucking face, bro. Like, clean your face. How you just keep yourself clean and healthy. It's not gay to do that. Like, it's big 2026 and ये assumptions are लोगों के भाई आदमी कौन पे चली हुई है. It's just gone. Yeah, look after yourself. Be well groomed. Portray yourself in a light in which you respect your own self. That's just as simple as that. जो respect तुम लोगों से crave कर रहे हो, या फिर जो validation तुम बाहर से crave कर रहे हो, if you just hold yourself to that standards, you'll be golden. Chalo, with that, I hope you guys are very, very happy, very blessed, very peaceful, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.